Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use KML files in Google Maps. KML, or Keyhole Markup Language, is a file format used to display geographic data. These files can contain points, lines, and polygons, making your maps much more informative. They also allow for rich visual details, descriptions, and even links. By importing KML, you can bring your own custom spatial information to life on a map, making it a powerful tool for many applications. To import a KML file on your computer, first navigate to Google My Maps in your web browser. You will need to create a new map or choose one you have already started. Within the map legend, locate and click the Import option under a layer. You can then easily drag and drop your KML file directly into the window or select it from your computer's storage. This process typically takes just a few moments. Accessing KML data on your mobile device works a bit differently. While direct KML file import isn't typically available within the Google Maps mobile application, you can still view your custom maps. Once you have imported your KML file using the desktop My Maps website, the saved map becomes available. Simply open your Google Maps app, go to your Places, then Saved, and finally select Maps to find your custom KML data. Once your KML data is imported, you can effectively manage and interact with it. You can view all the place marks, lines, and polygons that your file contains. Google My Maps allows you to organize your data into layers, enabling you to easily show or hide specific information. You can also share your custom maps with others, fostering collaboration. KML files are versatile, even supporting dynamic data like traffic updates or project timelines.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.